So I decided to spend few days testing out all of the free apps that I could find. And I don't mean any AI apps that have limited trial with limited amount of credits. What I mean is free AI apps that have free plan forever. It took me a while to gather all of these apps, so I'm gonna show you each one of them. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we're gonna go ahead and talk about best free AI tools to make money. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. For app number 1, we have Immerse. It's a free AI image search engine. So here's how I use Immerse. So let's say that I'm browsing Etsy right here to buy something special, and I've come across these posters right here, which is very popular. What I can go ahead and do is to go ahead and click on some of them, and I'll just go ahead and save this image right here. Then I'll just head on over to Immerse right here. I'll go ahead and drag my photo inside, and it will go ahead and search for that similar image. As you can see, this is the image that I use, and I've got all of these images for free. It is really amazing because it is free to use for your own, and you could go ahead and sell these images. Just make sure to put some extra effects, textures, and anything you could go ahead into these photos. So make sure that you will not go ahead and have problems with licensing. As you can see, this is really useful because you could go ahead and search images now faster than ever. So, one of the disadvantages of free AI image apps is that they often give you pictures with a watermark. So, let's say that you are searching for stock image to use it for your project, for your YouTube videos, or for any content at all. What watermark remover can do is to go ahead and remove these watermarks from sites like this one, shutterstock.com. So for example, I want to go ahead and pick this photo right here. I could just go ahead and click this photo, and as you can see, there's a huge watermark right here saying Shutterstock. I'm just gonna go ahead and save this photo right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go to watermark remover, and I'll just go ahead and upload my image right here. Just go ahead and click on upload image, go ahead and click in your photo, and it will load in just a second. And as you can see, there are no watermarks for this photo right here. You can clearly see it right here. There's a huge text saying Shutterstock, and for the second one, there's no watermark at all. You could go ahead and download the image preview, or you could go ahead and download it full HD. This is completely free, so make sure to use this to your advantage. Tool number 3 is Canva, a free AI photo editing app. I use this tool a lot more than just photo editing. I truly believe that it's one of the best free AI apps for it. Using their AI technology, with a click of a button, you could turn any photos into different styles of artwork. And you can also apply a huge range of different photo filters. You could also go ahead and use their AI technology to enhance your photos too. But here is where it gets really crazy. Using a new magic eraser tool, you could paint over anything that you want to remove in a photo, and Canva's AI will edit it out. And using their new magic edit tool, you can paint over anything in a photo and ask Canva to replace it with a new image. It's insane that these are included currently in their free account. So let's say that you have your canvas right here, and let's say that this is your photo. You could go ahead and click on this image, click on edit photo, and you have a bunch of tools that you could go ahead and use. For example, you have your background remover, which I'm going to show you. And as you can see, with a click of a button, we have managed to remove the background of this particular photo. And the thing that I want to talk about the most is the magic eraser. So let's just go ahead and click on magic eraser, and for example, I want to remove his watch from this photo. What I can go ahead and do is to highlight this particular thing inside this photo right here, and it will load in just a few seconds. And what this will do is it will edit it out for you. And another example, if I want to go ahead and remove this handkerchief right here, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this including his pen, and just wait for a few seconds and it should be gone. And as you have witnessed, Canva is a really powerful tool that you could go ahead and use on any type of project. You also have your magic expand right here, you have magic grab, you have your grab text, and you have a bunch of filters that you can use, effects, and bunch of elements to work with. Clipchamp, a free automatic video editor. Clipchamp is a free video editing app that has an automatic video editor. You could drop in the video files and you can choose what type of videos you wanted to make. You could choose a mobile video or a full screen video, and you could go ahead and select your music. Clipchamp will then automatically generate a video montage for you. Clipchamp also generate a range of video filters that it can apply with its AI technology. Plus, it can also use its AI to remove the background of a video for you, and its AI technology can even generate video captions, which does save you a lot of time. So imagine this, you are a travel blogger and you want to go ahead and edit videos on the go. But this is impossible because we all know that video editing takes a very long time. So you could just go ahead and use Clipchamp, and this will make your life easier, it will save you more time, and in return you could go ahead and make more content. Next tool is Deep AI, a free AI image restoration app. So using this app, you can upload old black and white photos that you have, and Deep AI will add colors to do it for you for free. No sign up required. You can also use their enhance tool, which will remaster the photo as well. And check it out, this is a black and white photo next to the restored photo. I think it's astonishing that this is now a free technology. And you can go ahead and use this AI to offer services that needs image restoration. Now look, I know that ChatGPT needs no introduction, it is the app that changed the world. If you've somehow never seen this before, you just have to open it up and ask it to write for you anything you want about any topic. That's it. You don't even have to pay for the upgrade because the free version is still insane. And it is insane that it is still free. And I don't believe it's gonna stay free forever, so you should go ahead and get it while you can. So this is ChatGPT right here, and we have a bunch of presets that we could go ahead and use. For example, we have plan a tour, give me ideas, brainstorm names, and create a workout plan. Let's just go ahead and click on create a workout plan right here, and as you can see, it will go ahead and create us with just a single click of a button. And as you can see, this is really legit because it has the full body workout. You have your lower body, you have your cardio, you have your upper body, and you also have your rest day. And just to give you an idea, I'm gonna go ahead and try out another example right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on plan a trip, and it will go ahead and plan a 3-day trip to see the northern lights in Norway. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.